Let's make some bread.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, AC? How are
AC
you?
bringing the AC apple cider vinegar.
Perfect. So it's fall, so we are going to make some pumpkin breads, and then that is for an apple cider cocktail.
Yeah.
Right? But I love your flannel.
Yes.
It like matches my shirt too. I like
Girl.
it. So yeah. What?
I tried giving you a high five. Yeah.
So AC, this recipe that I'm using actually is from a Texas chef. Her name is Snodgrass. She has a cookbook called The Defined Dish, which I know you're a huge fan of.
Big fan.
Yeah, a lot of her stuff is gluten-free or grain-free.
I use a lot of her recipes at home.
You know what, while this is going, I need to put you to work.
Okay.
So we're basically gonna combine a bunch of different flours, and that will help lighten it and keep it fluffy.
Okay. This smells so good. It smells like fall.
Okay, so here's the secret ingredient, AC.
Okay.
This is browned butter.
Oh.
I think when you brown butter, it just gives it an added depth of flavor. So when I make chocolate chip cookies, always brown the butter. Boil it for a few minutes. You can see the fat separates from the liquid and it gets all nutty and... Here, you want to smell it? Let me add some lemon in this with our handy dandy YOLO knife that our friends at To The Point made for us.
I love it. So what does the lemon do?
You don't want it to be too heavy, so the zest gives it a little bit of brightness. Ooh. You know, it's nice to be cooking because we travel so much. So when we are at home, we get to cook something that we've tried or something that inspired us. So
yeah. You get a little
nice.
taste of Texas right here in your own home.
Exactly.
Love it.
So nicely said. Now, ma'am, we're going to put in the dry ingredients and then this thing will be ready to throw in the oven. So now, AC, while that is in the oven, we're gonna make some icing to drizzle on top. So I have the dairy-free cream cheese, I have some almond milk, just to loosen it up a little bit. You know what I don't have?
What?
I don't have an apron. Mix.
That
smell
aroma?
it?
Yeah, it's coming out.
We're gonna get some air in there.
I like that. Add that to the recipe, air.
Yeah. Perfect.
Why is that so satisfying?
Right. Ta-da.
Yeah!
It smells delicioso.
It looks good. And then we made the dressing.
Yes, the glaze, I guess, if you will.
Drizzle.
Ooh. What do you think, AC?
Mouth is salivating right now. It's like...
Cheers. So this is grain-free pumpkin bread. That's really good, AC. You want a drink? You want a cocktail?
Hey.
Let's make a cocktail.
Let's go.